Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making butter chicken. For that I'll need a full chicken and now I'll add salt in it. Then I'll add a teaspoon of red chili powder and a teaspoon of cumin powder. Then I'll add a tablespoon of butter chicken masala. Now I'll mix all the spices with the chicken properly and let this sit for 30 minutes and marinate the chicken. Now I will fry the marinated chicken for 5 to 10 minutes. After frying the chicken, I'll keep this aside and then proceed to prepare the masala. Now in a hot pan, I'll put butter and then melt this. After melting the butter, then I'll add 2 medium-sized sliced onions. Then saute the onions properly. At this time, I'll add 2 medium-sized tomato cubes. Again, I'll saute both the tomato and the onions well. At this point, I'll add garlics. Now I'll add salt as per my taste and a teaspoon of red chili powder and a big full tablespoon of butter chicken masala. Then I'll add a teaspoon of cumin powder and a pinch of sugar. Now I'll mix all the spices well so that the flavors combine nicely. After that, I'll make a fine paste of all the spices by mixing this in a grinder. Then I'll add 3 green chilies in it, and after that I'll add the masala water of the spices in the grinder. Again I'll add butter in the pan and then melt this. After melting the butter, I'll strain the masala which I have grinded before so that it gives a velvety feel to the chicken. Our butter chicken is all about the creamy and the gravy texture to the chicken. At this point, I'll add half cup of almond paste in the chicken gravy. So I'll add the fried chicken into the gravy and then cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. Mixing the chicken with the gravy is very important so the chicken gets more tender. So our authentic butter chicken is ready, and please serve it with love, and you can have this with naan, rice and paratha according to your preference. At the end, I'll garnish the dish with coriander leaves. This gives a very nice and soothing aroma to the butter chicken. Please make this dish and share with your family and friends. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos. I'll see you next time with another super duper video. Till then, stay happy and take care. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.